Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are back for another unboxing video of another Kaweco pen, and this is another special edition. So let us open the box. This pen came from Amazon and again has any special edition Kaweco Sport. It is not a cheap pen, but I think I will leave those kind of comments for later when I will make the review of this pen. So let's try to open these with as little noise as possible, but I don't really think. Okay, here we have it. We have this very large box. It is the Amazon style with this bubble plastic, and then here we have what I think it must be the invoice or something like that. Yes, it is. And here we have the pen. And the package is aside, and let's see what we have inside. We have this typical Kaweco sleeve, and black sleeve on the box, and here you have the name of the pen. This is the Kaweco Classic Sport Creme, which is also a limited edition, which I don't know exactly where to it is a limited edition. I know this pen came from the United States, but I think it's just being shipped from there. It has some Asian characters beneath that barcode, so I think this is another Oriental thing, special edition. I'll have to try to get more information, or if you have some information of how limited and where to this is limited, please let me know on the comments. So that plastic is out, but we have more plastic here for some more noise on the camera for unwrapping these. And I have to say, too much plastic in all these unboxing videos that I make. Maybe they should start doing some more eco-friendly packaging material, just like paper and newspapers and stuff like that. Okay. However, I will recycle all this plastic. It's not the solution, but it is what I can do now. Okay, the plastic is out finally. So this has this black Kaweco sleeve, which is common on metal pens. However, this is a classic sport, so it's not a metal pen, but it comes with this sleeve also. This tin box. And it comes with some Chinese characters, I think. So we'll have to try to figure something out about this, to try to know where to this was a limited edition. It is important, I think, for us collectors to know the regular warranty paper. And then we have this pen, which has this coffee cream color. And this is not a very easy to understand color like this. You may think this is the macchiato, but it is not. And it may look also like white, but it is not white. I will have some pictures taken in a few days, and I will make a full review and a comparison with the colors. And I think all the Kaweco collectors and users will appreciate it. So this is a nice colored pen, another special edition, and inside I think it has a cartridge or not. Maybe it is stuck. Okay. I don't think it has a cartridge. Sorry for this interruption. Okay. Here it went away, but it had a cartridge inside. This is something that I advise all Kaweco buyers and collectors and whatever to do. It is common to have comments from other people that receive Kaweco Sport pens that have a cartridge stuck inside the barrel, and they say, I just can't put another cartridge in, it doesn't fit. Okay, it fits, you just have to remove the one first, but sometimes it is stuck on the bottom of the barrel and it's not that easy, you have to force it out. So this is a very nice color. I won't make any comparisons right now, but in a future video I will. So please keep following us on our YouTube channel. Please like our videos and subscribe our channel, and I will make the review of this pen soon, and I will make the comparison with the other colors, and I will give you more information if I find out about this pen. So thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye.